Well, you have room for another on your crew, Captain.
You're here, but you'll have to get pretty close to mark them. Be careful.
Yes.
Report back when you're finished. Good hunting.
The target is destroyed. Now we will scout out the other two. Move carefully, Captain. Froggies are everywhere. It is done. Go to Smollett. Quickly!
You did it, pirate! Now, they've been gone for hours. Go see if the Troggies got them. If Livesey and Shepard are alive, they'll know where Finn is.
You there! Help! I can't get the lock open. We need the key. One of the Troggy shamans must have it. Bring me that key.
Aye, aye, Captain. Aye, aye, Captain.
Thank you, pirate. I thought I'd never get out of there. Want this? When I'm done, I'll hide in the mouth of the Skull Cave.
You're getting stronger. Time for your
Companions have levels just like you. Spend training
now?
points to raise a companion's level.
You can get more training points from gaining levels, training tomes, or from quests. The Skull Cave. I am not afraid.
And there are the cutthroats. Let's go pick a fight. Yes, Captain.
Yeah.
Aye. Jolly good.
Finn is in this Go Cave. We will follow. Look, a chest. Let us see what treasures it holds.
You've got a new bit of gear.
This is your backpack. Anything you find or buy will be kept here. Mouse over any item to see what it does.
To use the item, double...
Here, behind the waterfall. We found it. Looks like we'll have to cut our way through.
That passage must lead back to town. A shorter path. This is good.
Getting lost? Your quest arrow will point where you need to go.
These tunnels are crawling with crocodigators, but we can sneak past them if we keep to the walls.
Water.
You there! Come here, quick! You will, but you'll need to get into the shrine first. It's locked up tight. I overheard some of these sharks talking. Seems one of them found a key.
Yeah. Yo-ha!
Aye, aye, Captain.
We've got the key!
See that mark on the floor? It's a sigil,
Ahoy!
and that means there's action on the other side of that door.
Walk up to a glowing sigil and tap X to stand on it. A 10-second timer will begin.
When the timer's done, every player on the sigil enters the room together. Step off to back out.
All right.
Hey, Captain!
Yeah!
statues did their job, and now it's time to do ours. To battle!
I should report. Ye found an ally. Allies fight a